Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to convert the fraction into a decimal number. So first we have 3/4. First we will try to convert the denominator into 10, 100, 1000 or any power of 10. So here we have 4 in the denominator. If we multiply 4 by 25, we can get 100 in the denominator. So we will multiply the numerator also by 25. So now 3 times 25 is 75 and 4 times 25 is 100. So we will write 75. Now let us decide where to put the decimal point. In 100 we have 2 zeros, so we will put our decimal point before the 2 digit starting from the right. So first digit, second digit, here we will put our decimal point and there is no whole part, so we will write 0 there. So our answer is 0.75. Now we have 7 over 20. If we multiply 20 by 5, we can get 100 in the denominator. So we will multiply numerator also by the same number 5. Now 7 times 5 is 35 and 20 times 5 is 100. So we have 35. Let us decide where to put a decimal point. In 100 we have 2 zeros, so we will put our decimal point before 2 digits starting from the right. So this is the first digit, this is the second digit. Here we will put our decimal point and there is no whole part, so 0 here. So our answer is 0.35. Now the next fraction is 17 over 12. We cannot get 100 in denominator by multiplying any number to 12. So in this case we will perform the long division. Let us divide 17 by 12. So 12 goes once into 17 and 12 times 1 is 12. 17 minus 12 is 5. Now there is no digit to bring down, so we will write 0 after this 5, and for this 0 we will put a decimal point in our quotient after 1. Now 12 goes 4 times into 50 and 12 times 4 is 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. We have already written a decimal point in our quotient, so we can put 0 after this 2. Now 12 goes once into 20 and 12 times 1 is 12 and 20 minus 12 is 8. Now we have already written decimal point in our quotient, so we can write 0 here. Now 12 goes 6 times into 80 and 12 times 6 is 72 and 80 minus 72 is 8. We can write 0 here. Once again we have 80. So 12 goes 6 times into 80. So here we have 6 and 12 times 6 is 72. So this 6 will repeat. So our answer would be 1.416 repeated. Now let us do 58 over 27. So let us perform a long division. 58 divided by 27. 27 goes twice into 58 and 27 times 2 is 54. 58 minus 54 is 4. Now we don't have any digit to bring down, so we will write 0 here, and for this 0 we will put a decimal point in our quotient after 2. So now we have 14. 27 goes once into 40 and 27 times 1 is 27. 40 minus 27 would be 13. Since we have already written a decimal point in our quotient, we can write a 0 after 13. So now we have 130. So 27 goes 4 times into 130. 27 times 4 would be 108. And 130 minus 108 would be 22. We can write a 0 here. Now 27 goes 8 times into 220, and 27 times 8 would be 216. So 220 minus 216 will be 4. Now we can write a 0 here, so we have 40. You can see that we have 40 already here. So 27 times 1 will be 27, will work here. So this 148 in the quotient will repeat once again. So our answer would be 2.148 repeated. Hope this video will help you how to convert the fraction into decimal numbers.